Yo, what's up everybody? It's Skynet. AI is everywhere and it's only getting bigger. From self-driving cars to AI that can write you a poem or even code for a website, it's wild to see just how much this tech is changing things. In this video, we're diving deep into the companies leading the charge in 2025. We're breaking down their specialties, their breakthroughs, and what makes them stand out. So, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. First up, we gotta start with a name you've definitely heard before, Google DeepMind. These guys are like the rock stars of the AI world. They're known for creating AI that can tackle some seriously complex problems, from beating world champions at Go to predicting protein structures with AlphaFold. DeepMind is all about pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. They're heavily invested in research, constantly coming out with new and innovative applications. We're talking natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, you name it, they're probably working on it. One of the things that sets DeepMind apart is its focus on general-purpose AI. They're trying to create AI that can learn and adapt to any task. They're also focused on making sure their AI benefits the real world, with projects in healthcare, energy efficiency, and climate change. Google DeepMind is a company to watch, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Next up, we've got OpenAI, the masterminds behind ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and other impressive AI models. ChatGPT can write you a song, explain complex topics, and even help you code. But OpenAI is more than just chatbots. They're deeply involved in research across a wide range of AI, from natural language processing to computer vision to robotics. OpenAI is committed to developing safe and beneficial AI. They're big on collaboration, partnering with other companies to address real-world problems. They recently released GPT-4, which is next level. OpenAI is shaping the future of how we interact with technology. Now we gotta talk about the hardware that makes all this AI magic happen. And that's where NVIDIA comes in. These guys are like the backbone of the AI industry, providing the powerful GPUs that make AI processing possible. Training massive AI models requires an insane amount of computing power, and NVIDIA's GPUs are designed to handle those workloads. But NVIDIA isn't just about hardware. They're also invested in software and platforms that make it easier for developers to build and deploy AI applications. Things like CUDA and their deep learning SDK are essential tools for anyone working in AI. NVIDIA is also making big moves in autonomous driving with their Drive platform and robotics with the Isaac platform. They're providing the tools and technology that are fueling the AI revolution. NVIDIA is playing a critical role in making all of this AI stuff possible. Alright, let's talk about Anthropic. These guys are all about building safe and reliable AI. They're super focused on making sure that AI is developed responsibly and that it doesn't end up causing any harm. They're developing cutting-edge AI systems with a strong emphasis on safety and ethics. They're really digging deep into the theoretical foundations of AI alignment, ensuring AI systems are aligned with human values. One of the things that sets Anthropic apart is its focus on constitutional AI. They're developing a chatbot called Claude, designed to be helpful, harmless, and honest. If you're concerned about the potential risks of AI, Anthropic is a company to keep an eye on. They're at the forefront of the movement to develop AI responsibly. Now, not every company on this list is a giant tech behemoth. Take Cohere, for example. They're a startup that's all about democratizing access to AI. They're building powerful AI tools and making them available to businesses of all sizes. Cohere's key strength is its focus on natural language processing. They've developed impressive language models that can understand and generate human-like text. They're making these models accessible through easy-to-use APIs. They're empowering businesses to harness the power of AI, regardless of their size or technical expertise. They're also big on education and support, helping businesses understand how to use AI effectively. Cohere is making AI accessible to everyone, and that's a game changer. Alright, let's talk about the fuel that powers these AI engines. I'm talking about data. And that's where Scale AI comes in. They're building the infrastructure and tools that companies need to manage and prepare their data for AI. Scale AI ensures companies have the high-quality data they need to train and deploy effective AI models. They're providing a platform for data annotation, making data understandable for AI models. They're also working on synthetic data generation, creating artificial data for training AI models. Scale AI is working with companies in a wide range of sectors, from self-driving cars to e-commerce to healthcare. They're laying the groundwork for the AI revolution by ensuring companies have the data they need to succeed. Scale AI is playing a crucial role in the AI ecosystem. Alright, let's talk about collaboration in the AI world. Building AI is a team sport, and that's where Hugging Face comes in. They've created an awesome platform where AI developers can share their models, datasets, and even code. Think of it like GitHub, but for machine learning. It's a place where developers can collaborate on AI projects, share their work, and build upon each other's progress. One of the things that makes Hugging Face stand out is its massive model hub. They have thousands of pre-trained AI models that developers can use as a starting point for their own projects. Hugging Face also provides tools for data processing, model training, and deployment. They're making it easier for anyone to get started with AI, regardless of their technical skill level. Whether you're a seasoned AI pro or just starting out, Hugging Face is a platform you need to check out. It's a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts, and it's a great place to learn, collaborate, and build the future of AI. Now, if you're into art, music, or any kind of creative stuff, you gotta check out Stability AI. These guys are all about making AI more accessible and empowering creators with AI tools. They're the company behind Stable Diffusion, an open-source AI model that can generate images from text prompts. You type in what you want to see, and boom, Stable Diffusion creates it. Stability AI is more than just image generation. They're working on a suite of open-source AI models for everything from audio and video generation to code generation and scientific discovery. They're passionate about open-sourcing their work, believing AI should be accessible to everyone. If you're an artist, musician, developer, or just someone who loves to tinker with cutting-edge technology, check out Stability AI. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with open-source AI. Alright, let's talk about language. AI is changing the way we interact with language in some pretty mind-blowing ways. One of the companies leading the charge in this area is AI 21 Labs. They're developing impressive language models capable of understanding and generating human-quality text. AI 21 Labs focuses on building language models that are fluent and factually grounded. They're working on models that can access and process real-world information, making them more reliable. They have an API that allows developers to integrate their language models into their own applications and services. AI 21 Labs is shaping the future of how we interact with language in the age of AI. Finally, let's talk about how AI is being used to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. One of the most exciting areas of AI application is in healthcare, and that's where Path AI comes in. They're using AI to improve the accuracy, speed, and efficiency of pathology. Pathology plays a critical role in diagnosing and treating patients. Path AI is developing machine learning models that can analyze medical images with a level of accuracy that rivals human pathologists. This can help to speed up diagnoses, reduce errors, and improve patient outcomes. Path AI is also working on using AI to develop new treatments and therapies for diseases. They're using machine learning to identify promising drug targets and personalized treatment plans for individual patients. Path AI is at the forefront of using AI to make a real difference in healthcare. So there you have it. Those are just a few of the top AI companies shaping the future in 2025. From giants like Google DeepMind and OpenAI to startups like Cohere and Stability AI, these companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. We're seeing new breakthroughs all the time, and the companies leading the charge are the ones constantly innovating and adapting. It's an exciting time to be following the world of AI, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. What did you think of this list? Let me know in the comments which AI company is your favorite and why.